Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a Hiren's BootCD or boot USB. Open your browser, type in Hiren's BootCD.org. So this is the right page. Now you've got a download and you've got USB booting. First click on download and scroll right to the bottom and click on HBCD_PE. Just choose downloads, save it. It's 3 gigs. So while that's happening, scroll up to the top, click on USB booting. And this is a little utility that helps you to make a bootable USB. You need to click on ISO to USB and download this to the same folder. This is the utility that we need to run, and this is the image that is the actual utility. So you click on up arrow, show in folder, so right click it, run as administrator, yes, and then select the USB device. If you don't have one plugged in, you'll need one that's at least 4 gigs. So plug that in, and then make sure you've selected the right one. Ignore this, just press process. Choose yes. Okay, so this was quite a long process. It took nearly 15 minutes to create a USB using this tool. Once it's finished, it will say it's successfully copied, and you just close the window. Then eject the USB, and it's ready to go. When the computer starts up, just tap either F1, F2, F10 or delete. It's different for different brands of laptops, and you should get into a screen that looks like this, which is the BIOS or the UEFI. You need to use the arrow keys to go across until you select boot, and then go down, and you should see in this order you've got SATA SSD, SATA HDD, and USB HDD. So we need USB HDD USB disk to be the first boot device, and it tells you at the bottom what to press to move it. So in this case we press F6 and make that first in the list. Then save and exit, so we press F10, yes. Now the computer restarts and it should boot off the USB instead. Okay, so this is what Hiren's BootCD looks like. When you first start it up, if you see a network dialog box appear like this, you can just ignore it and it will disappear in a second. Now to reset your Windows password, you open the Start menu, go All Programs, Security, Passwords, and open NT Password Edit. Now you just click Open, and you should see the accounts on the computer. So find the one that you want to reset, select it, and choose Change Password. You can type in a new password in both boxes, or if you just want it to be blank, just click OK. And then Save Changes and exit. So click on Start, shut down, then disconnect the drive and turn it back on. And there you have it. Now you can sign back in, and you don't need to know what the password was because it's now been removed. You can find the steps on the website as well. If you have any comments, leave them below. If not, I'll see you in the next video.